Okay, welcome back everybody, and today we got another product review for you. And we recently did a product review on this. We recently did a product review on these products, and you can go back and look at that video if you want to see my opinions and what I said about it. But we will be exploring these two products again later on during the year, during the winter months when the gardening generally slows down. But I got a new product today that I am actually very excited about, because this is a little bit different than what you see here. This is a little bit more unique, so I'm really looking forward to actually putting this product to use in real time, not just testing, but like real use, real world use, because I generally bring my pepper plants in for the winter, but this year I'm going to be bringing in my tomato plants. And tomato plants indoors under lighting is really generally not very fruitful, should we say. So anyway, we're going to do an unboxing. I did open the box because I have to make sure the product that came in the box. All right, so that's it. A little bit of a packing list. And so we got this right here. And what's inside the box is what you see right there. This is how it comes. You get a couple of cards. This is going to give me some of the details that I need for you to see. So we're going to look at that in a minute. I'll show you that stuff in a minute. But we want to take out what it is. I got to be honest with you guys. This thing's got some. This thing's got some power behind it, to be honest with you. So what's in the box is you get the light. This is the light, by the way. That is the light. And it also comes with a cable. We'll go over that in a minute. And basically that is it. Just those few things. Do not throw your box away for several reasons. One, if you have to return it, you have the box, you have all the stuff that you're going to put back in the box. You're not just going to throw this stuff out, including the baggie. You'll put that all back in the box, close it up, and stick it in your attic or your closet or something. And then that way, if you have to return it, you can send it back 100% back in its original packaging, and you won't have any problem. Take a look at that, guys. Look at those LEDs on this thing. Seriously, I'm telling you, LED technology has come such a long way. It's absolutely ridiculous. I mean, these donut-shaped LEDs, I don't know how many watts they are a piece. It has a little thing that comes down so you can hang it. But as far as I could see, you could also set this thing up like this. Okay, you can set it up like that, so if you're doing like stage lighting or anything like that, I really actually need something like this, because a lot of my videos are, the lighting is I got to invest money into lighting, and in order for me to do that, it costs money for good lighting. I don't just want to buy one of those $35 kits that comes with the stand, and a little diffuser and a bulb. Those things are garbage. You need to put a little money into lighting, and that's what I'm working on now. But this right here might actually be something I might be able to use for lighting as far as cinematography, photographing, video work. I need that really good lighting. So I'm not sure if this is a pink light, but if it's a white light, this might be it. So we'll find out in a minute. But that's it. It comes with the little stand on it. It's got a nice size heavy-duty cable. It's a pretty thick gauge. I would imagine it's at least 14 gauge. That should be more than sufficient for this, because you can see this cord's not that long, but it's long enough for you to plug into a wall and move it around a little bit. So you got some length on there. As far as length, I would say the cord is probably close to 5 feet. I'm not measuring it. Here's the switch for it. It's got a waterproof case, so if it's getting wet, like if you're growing plants, you're spraying with hoses and all, you don't have to worry about the switch getting wet. This is one of the most critical areas as far as you potentially getting electrocuted. If it gets wet, is the switch, because those are open contacts, And if that gets wet and you happen to touch it, you could get a little jolt there. It won't kill you, but this is what it is. It's just basically a switch like this. Just an on-off switch. The way this is generally designed to be used is you're going to want to suspend this like so above your plant. So it has this little bracket on here, and you get a little cable like so. So basically you just unscrew this like so. You get the bottom comes right off. Stick that in the bottom of there. Screw that back on top. You don't have to crank it with screwdrivers or nothing. And so what happens is now it's suspended off of that cable. This cable is very strong. It's never going to snap. And you can see that this is going to be pretty stable. Now, I wouldn't worry about the movement like that too much. But I'm going to show you the whole thing really quick like this. Right? Okay? Same thing with the back. I'm going to show you really quick. Okay, that's what it looks like. That's the whole sheet. So this is a full spectrum light. I'm not that worried about Kelvin. We're pretty much covering the entire wavelength of light spectrum. The things I want to point out here is, number one, it's basically a 110 volt. Okay, so it's a 110 volts, 50, 60 hertz. It'll basically work with any house electric. So this is the 70 watt model. And this model is got 12 LEDs, as you can see. Should be 12 on there. Okay, so it's got 12 LEDs, the 70 watt model. Beam angle is 60 degrees. Operating temperature somewhere around between minus 40 and 55 degrees. That's the general operating temperature. I, again, wouldn't worry about that. The lifespan is 50,000 hours. Now, there are a few things, in my experience, to extend that 50,000 hours of, you know, your general usage time with these. And the main thing is airflow. You need airflow. Now, this works off of convection air. Again, you can see right through it. If you look right through it, okay, you can see it. It's very porous, and air will convect through it naturally. But I would say if you keep a fan going in the same room you're growing your plants, you're going to have to do this, folks. You don't want to grow your indoor plants without air movement. You do not want to do that. That will cause a lot of problems with your plants. Your plants need to respirate and they need to transpire. You need to create airflow. So with a little bit of an assisted airflow, you're actually going to extend this life. So this lifespan, 50,000 hours, is based on just it sitting there without anything. Photon flux is 67, and the last but not least, the dimensions, which are in millimeters, 193 millimeters by 200 millimeters by 41.5 millimeters, and that's length times width times height. So let's plug this in, and we'll hold it like that for now, and let's see what it does. Wow, that is bright, guys. Whew. Man, that thing's bright, man. Holy smokes. Wow, that is bright, guys. I mean, look at that. I could see. You know what the strange thing about this type of lighting is? It's not only bright, but I can actually see better. I wear glasses because I can't see really good, and my vision is, I'm farsighted, so my vision is, you know, it doesn't get better with age, unfortunately. But because the lighting is always so bad, I always struggle with my eyes. I always have to put glasses on. If I had lighting like this on a regular basis, I can actually read this now. It's still a little bit blurry, but I could see a lot better with this type of light than I could like that. Forget, I wouldn't even be able to see the sentences on a card. That's how bad it is. But here, I can almost read it without glasses because it's a full spectrum light here. So that's what it looks like, guys. You know, I'm not pointing it at the camera. The flux you're seeing from this is just the natural brightness from it. Try to turn it away on you. I'll turn it up at my face and show you how bright it really is. Look at that, guys. I can't even open my eyes on that thing. Holy moly. I feel like I just got sunburned from this thing. But anyway, that's what it looks like here. You could see how clear you can see this with the light like that, right? Look how clear that is with the light, right? Now we'll take the light away, and now you can see what it looks like. So when you put this light on it, look at the intensity and the detail you can pick up. So I'm very, very enthusiastic about this particular product because not only is it higher wattage, higher output. I mean, this is 70 watts, guys. I mean, this here I think is 24 watts. That's like 15 watts. This is 70 watts, guys. This is putting out some serious light right now. I mean, very serious light. So, I mean, I could probably cover an area, depending on the height. I could probably cover a good 3 foot by 3 foot area and get plenty of light to grow my plants through the winter. So I'm very, very pleased with this so far. While we're letting this thing run, I'm trying to give you an idea on the heat that's coming off of this, and it's like nothing really. And that is a very good sign. So we will be putting these products to use once the plants start coming in, and I will do some follow-up videos on each one of these products, and we'll really start to really see what it looks like and how it looks on the plants, and see how the plants are doing really, because that is what I'm mostly interested in. So SANSI wants to offer you a discount, and if you enter this code here, SGLED20, you will get a 20% discount, and that is a very fair discount, to be honest with you, for such a good product that I am very enthusiastic about. As you know, I'm a very big fan of LED lighting, and this is definitely technology that's really moving to the forefront. So it's definitely something you should be investigating. Getting away from fluorescent tube lighting, that's going bye-bye, guys. You need to start looking into LED technology because fluorescent lighting is becoming antiquated, and you need to start saving on your electric. And by using LED lighting, you can now do that. So again, that discount code will be in the description, and that's about it. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, folks.